Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Join me today as I make an alternative Fun in the Sun paper pumpkin kit project. Let's get started.
Cut 2 full sheets of cardstock down to 8 1/4 inches by 11 inches. I'm using basic white for the bottom and azure afternoon for the top. Score all 4 sides of the base at 2 1/2 inches. Pull the cardstock for the top part of the box just slightly away from the left edge, then score at 2 1/2 inches. Repeat this for all sides. On the long edges, cut straight up on the rectangles and miter the squares. Then fold and burnish on all score lines. Add a strong adhesive such as Seal Plus to the outsides of the flaps. Then fold in, square up, and adhere to the sides. Box top is done. Put together the box bottom in the same exact manner. Cut up on the rectangles and miter the squares. The lid will fit perfectly over the base. Trim out the landscape portion of the stair-step card. Then assemble the beach scene on top of the box. Fussy cut the cloud formation edge and line up the horizon. Line up the beach edge and cover up all the seams with the surfboards in the sand. I added dimensionals towards the tops of the surfboards to give them a little extra oomph. Just keep in mind how much of the surfboards are going to hang off the top of the box. Finish off with the crab holding the stamp sign and a few glittery dots. And there you have it, a Fun in the Sun box. For more inspiration, visit my blog at. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!